Hi, I will show you how to install the Peroni Plus onto a car seat. First, we will need to slide up the ISOFIX connectors by pressing on each sides. Then we will insert it into the car seat's ISOFIX anchors. I will press firmly against the Peroni Plus, verify its stability. Then I will use the bear to demonstrate how to install the car seat. The belt guider needs to be 2 to 3 centimeters above the child's shoulder. The main purpose is to prevent any injuries during a car crash. We'll simply take the car seat belt, slide it in. Always make sure that the car seat belt goes under the Peroni Plus armrest. It is tight. There it is, the Peroni Plus.
The ISOFIX connector of the device needs to be fully extended. Otherwise, the connector will slide back and it won't be able to attach itself onto the anchor.
If the indicators turn green, you may push the seat all the way in.
To remove, it is as easy. Simply unbuckle the seatbelt, slide it off the belt guider, I will remove the bear. Then I will need to press on each side of the ISOFIX connectors. Pull it towards me. There it is, Peroni Plus.